paper planes! Let's make 3D vegetables and put them in our basket. For this, we will require an A4 size white paper and a brown paper. At first, we will cut the brown paper into half and then make an uneven surface. After that, let's cut it in the size of the paper. Now, why don't we make these beautiful vegetables and start cutting this? Well, you can make it with a sketch pen or you can make it with a pencil and then color it with your crayons. Also, why don't we make this beautiful basket? That's great! Once we are done coloring it, we will start cutting it properly. Try and cut it right on top of the black outline. After that, let's start cutting our beautiful vegetables. Here we have a carrot, a radish, a brinjal and a mushroom. Let's cut it nicely. Well, this looks great. Once we are done cutting all the 4 vegetables, why don't we keep it aside? This looks great. Now it's time for us to make the soil on the farm. Yes, this is where all our vegetables are going to be grown. Why don't we make it with our brown sketch pen? This looks lovely. Now it's time for us to cut it. So before cutting it, we will make sure that we make a mark from the pencil and then cut it with our scissors. Be very careful while cutting it. Let's make a straight line and cut it nicely. Similarly, why don't we do the same thing for all the 4 parts? Let's make a slit and then cut it in standing line. And then cut it right away. This looks great. Now, why don't we make a slit on top of our beautiful basket as well? Make sure you hold the scissor properly so that you don't hurt yourself. This looks great. Now, let's try and fix it with a double tape. Do you know why are we using a double tape? Yes, so that it is not stuck completely on top of the paper and we have some space in the middle. Now, let's remove the top part of the double tape and then stick this. This was so simple. Now, it's time for us to insert all the veggies right here. Let's keep it this way. Now, our farm is ready. Now, it's time for us to make the background. Why don't we make these beautiful clouds and then the sun? This looks great. Why don't we make the tree as well? For this, we will use brown color and green color. Well, you can also use your crayons to do the same. Why don't we make the grass right here? For this, we are going to make standing lines. Now, let's make a few birds. Yes, we need to make a letter R. Now, why don't we put some double tape right here and stick our basket right there? Yes, something like this. And now it's time for us to collect all our vegetables and put it in our basket. This looks lovely. Also, you can put it back in the farm.
Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. I hope you had a lot of fun, friends. And for those of you who don't know me, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car, Bubbles. See you next time.